Hi, I'm gay.
Hi, I'm girl.
Hi, I'm Girl.
And this is
the
Amboy Crater. Good morning! Today, we woke up at 5 in the morning to witness a volcano in the eastern Mojave Desert of Southern California. So what are we doing right now, Iris?
Gas.
What gas?
Gas.
So we're filling up the tank.
How we're about to hike the Amboy Crater.
Okay, good. What's our food?
You have it.
Oh, I do.
Successful?
Alicia here.
Were you success?
Yes.
Good.
One more. I think that's yours.
Yung
Wait,
coffee. Her
I
coffee.
have
her coffee.
I have two too, Iris.
Oh, then go back.
Right?
Oh,
So here.
give her coffee. Alicia, there's thing there to put down for you to put your coffee.
Hi everyone, we're just eating breakfast because we're gonna go to this strenuous hike. Diba? Thank you, Sriracha. So
It's
I'm
right
having,
there, right next to you.
Thank you.
So we're going to this Amboy Crater. It's the whole of Amboy. Do you guys have any New Year's resolution?
Are we on camera?
Yeah, we're on camera. Come
We're
on.
gonna lose weight.
World
We're gonna lose weight, right?
We're gonna lose weight. Where are we gonna put it?
Gonna lose weight, exercise more.
We're gonna have lots of sex.
Wow,
Okay.
that's
Yeah.
like for every
Yes.
year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I have the other dasani? I'll switch you with. I have another dasani.
Okay. Yeah.
No, not the one that you already drink.
Oh.
You're gonna give me the one that's open.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
You already ate?
I'm gonna
Where are we
eat
going?
this one, the sandwich while driving.
Yes. Tucked in San Bernardino County, a 2-hour drive away from Palm Spring, 3 hours from LA, Amboy Crater is a perfect extinct cinder cone volcano with 250 feet elevation, a large lava field, and hiking trails. 8:50 right now. Okay, we're here in Amboy Crater. Chichi, are you ready for this hike?
Let's go.
Alicia, you climbed a volcano before?
No. First time.
This is your first time?
First time.
Okay, hopefully we see some...
Climb a volcano before.
Huh? Why?
Climb the volcano before.
Have you climbed the volcano?
Have you climbed a volcano?
I didn't see it in San Fernando Valley, but if there's one, I'll definitely go.
It's a big no.
It's a no for now.
Okay.
Oh yes, we're getting really closer. This is actually not a bad hike. Well, okay,
Not yet.
I spoke too soon. I mean, it's a straight line for now.
Straight line for now, but one,
I think it's perfect for the winter, right?
it's perfect for the winter because
Yes.
you know there's no shade at all.
Yes.
So it's just perfect.
See, look, I'm wearing my fur, so that means it's good.
It's hot.
Hi. You get sexy in front of you guys. You're almost there. You're about to hump that volcano. Yes. Here you go, show. You've been practicing this. You've been practicing climbing up. So I don't know if we're getting closer, but apparently we have to go from the side or the back of the mountains to get in. So we're going to the side. Are we getting close?
Oh, okay.
Were you able to go inside the volcano?
Yeah, you can go inside and then you can take trails all the way up to the top too.
Oh, cool.
Nice view from up there.
Woo.
Hi puppy. Have a good time.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Happy New Year.
too.
Oh, she's dead! Believe it or not, we're inside. We're inside of a volcano. Too wide,
It's too wide.
too loose.
It's too wide. It's too dry.
Yeah,
It's too dark.
that sounds like Iris for me.
I'm sorry, but I'm the opposite.
Okay, wider. We are here on top of the world. Yes. Yay, you made it. You're a little late, traffic.
Oh my god. She's not traffic on the whole side.
Yes.